Hello guys, what's up? And I'm going to show you today a little something different. I'm going to teach the very basics of programming in C#. So when you have a little skill of programming, this video is probably not for you. So let's start on the main menu. Here you can see the information, program, what's new, announcement, that kind of stuff. Here you can see your recent projects. I've already tried this before, but something went wrong with the recording, so I'm going to do it again. Here you can start a new project, open a project, or open a project from source control. But you can also go to File, New Project. So here you have all kinds of languages you can pick from. Python, PowerShell, JavaScript. But I'm going to be working in C# in a console application. Now you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it YouTube, and you want to click this because that's going to create a new folder for your files, so they won't get messed up and stuff. You want to click OK, and it's going to load up your project. Here you can edit the code of your project. So you see right here, these are the things that your project is using. You don't want to delete any of these because that will just ruin your project. You can add them, but we'll get into that later. Here you can see the name of your project, your class, and this is where you'll start programming. Now, if you hit Ctrl F5, this will load up your project. But we don't have any code in it, so it will just tell us press any key to continue. So let's close out of that. You can also press F5. That will go into debug mode. So I'm going to make this a little bigger so you can see. Okay, let's start programming. So I'm just going to write a little line. Now, this is the very basic of console applications. This is basically tell the console like, hey, I want you to write a line. So between these brackets you can put whatever you want. So let's say just hello. Now if you do Ctrl F5, it says hello and then the program ends. So you can put anything in here. I am cool, for example, and then it will say hi, I am cool. So just close out of that, and then you can let's delete that. Oh, and by the way, you always want to end your lines with a with this thingy. I have no clue what it's called, but because I'm stupid. So we can make a variable, so string. You can name this whatever you want. Var from variable, and equals to hello, and then that should work. Now it's By the way, you can see your error list right there. If you just click on View up here, and then you can find error list. Here you can see all your errors. The variable is never assigned, which is logical, but we're going to use it here. So in C#, you want to do this. This basically oh wait, we probably should name that there we go. Is that better? What did I do wrong? Oh wait, this needs to go in that. Yeah, okay. So this basically tells it whatever is in this, which is hello, because of this assigned variable. We put that in this little sign. So when we run this, it says hello, because that is what's in this variable. So that's how that works. You can also put a number in that, for example 12, and now this will of course give you an error. You can do convert what was it, to string, and then sorry, that should work. No, well, we'll get into that later. So let's make a if statement. So no wait, yeah, I know. If we'll just write a little bit, type B for boy or G for girl, and then we'll put another one above this. Saying are you a boy or a girl? Type B for boy or G for girl. Now we're going to read a line. So to do that, you want to do string. You want to name it gender, for example. In this scenario, it would make sense. Equals to console.read line. So what this will do is it will ask you, are you a boy or a girl, and then you tell them what to put in, and then here they can put anything in. So we're going to do this if gender equals to, say you want to put 3 of 2 of these in there to ask if it's equal to something. If it's equal to B, and for text you want to put it between those brackets. So then you want to put a line like that. I don't know. It's left to your enter and above your right shift. Or if gender equals to capital B. So now they can put in a lowercase b and a uppercase B. So that doesn't matter anymore, because this thing stands for OR. So both of these will activate the if, basically. So you want to put these signs right here to indicate, like, hey, this is together, this is all the same. No, that's wrong. If gender equals B, then it goes in between these, and then it's going to say console.writeLine, you are a boy. And then we're gonna do else. So if this isn't correct, then we're gonna look for something else. So if gender equals to G, or if gender equals to capital G, then you want to say console.writeLine, you are a girl. So then if that's not true, then you can put in, like, if no, just do console.writeLine, please put in, no, we can do this differently, and I'll teach you guys some more with this. So let's put in a while loop right here, and let's just put it to true. So you want to do that to assign these all together. You want to just cut all your code into this while loop. There we go. So it's going to ask again. So we want it to we want it to continue. This basically means that it's going to go back into the while loop. And so if we run this code right here, are you a boy or a girl, if we just put in that thing, then it's going to ask it again, no matter how many times we do this. Now of course we can put a limit to it, but that's not for this video. So let's just type B, you are a boy, and then it's going to repeat itself, because it's going to go back in this while loop. We've covered a little bit of code. this might be going a little fast for you, so if it is, you can go ahead and rewatch the video if you need to. So what do I want to do now? Yeah, you can of course do continue on these like that, and then at the end of this while loop you can put console.writeLine. Thanks for using the program, and you can do just console.read key, because if you start it right here, it might ask you if you well, never mind then. Well, you can it will ask for we can do that actually right here, just like that. What was the code? Yeah, we can just break just like that. There we go. Think this might work. Yeah, it's going to ask you to press any key to continue, but if we I'm going to find it right here. So if we run this like an application, it will just exit as C, because there's no end. To stop that, you want to basically just put a console.read key. So I think that's going to be it for this video of me teaching you how to program in C#. So if you liked it, please leave a like, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!